take everything out. I didn't even empty that section. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. Random stuff, I guess. I'm done. And here's my... Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's a big day. I get a little stressed when I have people coming over, or even if I have to, film something and I'm just digging around looking for things, or every time I open my cabinets, I'm like, oh my God, it's so messy in here. I decided that I just have to take one day. It's not even gonna take a day. It's gonna take me maybe 2-3 hours to just declutter and reorganize everything, because I feel like everything is everywhere. So I feel that I have on the smaller end of a kitchen. But I know some of you might think this is a big kitchen, but for me, because I don't have that much space, it feels very small, and I also feel like I don't have that much countertop space. But regardless, I feel like I'm pretty minimalistic, so I don't have anything that I don't really need. But I feel like it's also been nearing on to 3 years since we moved into this house, and I haven't really thrown anything away since then. If anything, I've probably added a little bit more to the kitchen. So I'm gonna take you and show you what's behind all of these cabinets, because from what it looks like, I know it looks somewhat on the cleaner end, but it's very disorganized, and I just get very stressed every time I open the cabinets. So I broke everything down into steps. For me, I need to have a clear mind and a clear plan that I need to tackle. So my first step is gonna be to take everything out. And when I mean everything, I literally mean everything, and separate the things that I feel I don't use and maybe I can store elsewhere, like my garage or something, and then only keep the things that are necessary. And number 3, I'm going to clean the cabinets, because there's probably crumbs and just whatnot in all these cabinets I'm going to clean. And then 4th step is I'm going to figure out what I use on a daily basis and put those in places that are easier to reach or easier to access. And then I am just going to start organizing and putting things away. So let's get started. This is under my, I know guys, I know, it's a mess. So this is underneath my sink. We have a really big filter, right? That's why it cuts out on a lot of our space to store things. I have a lot of my cleaning tools in here. So you'll see some stuff like that. I keep my knives here because I don't know why I don't feel okay about leaving the knives out on top. So it's just down there. Oh, this is one of the biggest problems too, is this area. Oh my God, you guys, I'm really exposing myself. I have a lot of tools and things like that. Yeah, let's just not talk about that. So we have here, this is probably one of the more organized, but yeah, I don't know what's going on here either. Actually, that looks a lot worse than I thought. Okay, so I don't have space, so I have a lot of things just out here because I don't know where to put it. And then, wow, how much Chick-fil-A sauce do we have? Wow, okay. So I need to organize this too. So these are where we put our tea bags and some pods for emergency and extra sauces. These are, okay, this is organized. These are our kitchen utensils that we use. Oh my God, you guys. So this is where I keep all my appliances and random stuff, I guess. Yeah, this is one of the big problems. And then this, and you guys know that this area here where I put my rice and stuff like that, it was really messy last time. I keep my pans here because I feel like these are more like I need easy access to them. But now that I think about it, I don't know if I do. And then I have some extra stuff. I don't even know how I even, but if you look deep in, it's like crazy, you guys. Yeah, okay. You know, let's just get started. I'm getting stressed out. Oh, here too. I don't even know where to start. I decided to tackle the appliance cabinet first because I do feel that all the appliances that I have out, I do use not on a daily basis, but a lot often, like the crock pot and things like that, I just stored away. And it's just taking up the most space. So I'm gonna tackle that area first. And I'm gonna put away like the KitchenAid, this other KitchenAid, that other KitchenAid. And I think appliances do have to go there because they are heavy and I don't use them as much, so I don't need the easiest access either. Okay, we were just discussing how when they install these cabinets, if Gino remembers, if they gave us like little divider, what do you call it? Like dividers so we can put things on top. Because if you look at this rice cooker, which is gonna stay in here, there's so much space on top and it's wasted space. It's wasted space too on top of that. Huh. I would say 70% of the cleaning. So let me just give you a check in the middle because you guys are probably bored seeing me do everything. I have a lot of my pantry things that I use more often. And here we have my greens. Okay, I guess this is a bit low, but anyways. So I have like extra sriracha. Oh, yeah, I love sriracha. And I have a bunch of other things here. So I have some pots there, and then some other pans and strainers and colanders and the lids in here. Woo. And then I have rice and other like salts, soy sauces, olive oils. Oils are all here. I'm done. Uh-oh. We have this area, which doesn't feel like it's that organized, but to me it is, okay? And then we have some baking things and stuff down here. I cannot believe, I just vacuumed the ground too, but I cannot believe it looks like I did nothing from like when I compared to the first scene. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted and now I have to make lunch. I hope that encourages you guys to declutter and keep your space clean and sanitary and what else, you know? I can't even think right now because I'm exhausted. But I'll see you guys on our next video.